Good day, good day. It's your boy Betty, it's your man Markel Prines, MrRVADelivered.com. And I know what you guys are probably thinking. What are we looking at right here? Well, this right here, this is a baby, not the baby. But in this video right here, this baby is going to show you exactly what you need to do in order to earn a six-figure income from home with affiliate marketing. Let's get to it. All right, family, so we're back. And right now, what I want to show you guys is simply how to earn a six-figure income with affiliate marketing. Now, this right here is the actual secret to doing that. So I want to get you guys prepared. Hopefully you're sitting in a space where there's no distractions, you don't have anything else going on, and that you can fully pay attention, because this right here is your first step to success. And if you can understand what I'm going to explain to you today, you will, in fact, be able to open up the doors to your future to be able to get this done. All right. So we mentioned the baby, right? Or a baby. So the baby that we're going to be using today is actually going to refer to our audience. And I decided to use a baby because a baby represents something that's easily explainable when it comes to going through this simple to understand and simple to do process. This baby represents any audience that you're trying to target, no matter what product or service that you're trying to promote, right? Now, a baby is a interesting person. A baby usually comes out and they don't know how to do much of anything but cry. And that's the same thing with your audience, your target audience, for whatever product or service that you're planning on promoting. So let's go through the process. Step one, very important step, get your notepad out. Now, I always suggest getting notepad out because that's the building block of any successful affiliate marketing business. You're going to have to take notes. You're going to have to organize your thoughts, because all of the things that you're going to go through in the process, you can't just simply retain that. You can't just simply go through the process and remember everything that you need to do. So starting out, you need to have your notepad. Next thing you need to do is also you need to organize your mind onto the notepad. So step number two, let's put step two as simply organize your thoughts. Now, when I say organize your thoughts, I mean a few different things. I mean, of course, first you want to write out your personal goals. What is it that you plan on achieving? What is it that you're aiming for? And of course, when I say goals, I don't mean financial goals. I mean your ultimate goal as to what you want as a result of this process that you're about to go through. Now, it's two things. It's what you want for your goal, and then you want to also write down the goal of your audience. So you want to make sure that you keep in mind what goals you actually have for your potential client, for your audience. And you want to keep that at the forefront of your mind. So going through the process, there's going to be four stages or four things that you're really going to have to organize. You're going to organize your audience wants. You're going to organize the issue at hand, the problem, and the solution that you have for your audience. Now, let's get back to this, because I don't want to make this video too long. And if you guys want more of a deep dive, I want to actually invite you guys to, comment below and let me know if you would like to go deeper and, more in depth into this concept. But for now, we're going to do a high level surface conversation, so to speak. Now, when it comes to the baby, we have to think about what are the things that, or problems or issues that a baby faces. Now, a baby, for one, let's say, can't walk, can't talk, can't drive. Yeah, if you can't walk or talk, more than likely, probably can't drive either. And let me change the font on that so that it looks a little bit clearer for you guys. So can't walk, can't talk, can't drive. And I dare say almost helpless. Almost helpless. What a baby can do is cry. So a baby can cry and actually let you know what he or she wants, right? Now, one of the biggest keys to success is actually understanding the difference between an issue and a problem. Now, for most of us as adults, if we couldn't walk, talk, drive, or were almost helpless, that would be a problem. That would be considered a big problem for us because we have things that we need to do and we need to be able to have these functions in order to do them. Now, for a baby, these things aren't necessarily a problem because a baby doesn't know the uses or the functions of these things. It doesn't know what it can do if it could walk, if it could talk, if it could drive, and if it wasn't helpless. So, when you're thinking about your audience, you have to understand the difference between an issue and a problem. That'll help you determine how you go about solving the potential problem, the real problem that this person has. So, for this example here, we're going to say that, of course, for an adult, this would be a problem, but for a baby, this is not a problem. This is the actual issue. This is the issue at hand. Now, most people, they don't want to resolve their issues. They want to resolve their problems. But the key from your standpoint is understanding that the real answer to their problem is resolving the issue itself. So let's say this. We're thinking about a product or service to promote, right? And let's say it's food. Someone is hungry. So let's do this. Say, I'm hungry. I'm hungry. That's a problem. So if I'm hungry, a simple solution for a lot of people would be, okay, if I'm at home, I'm gonna go in the kitchen, I'm gonna make something to eat. If I don't have anything to eat at home, then I'll go out and purchase something to eat, come back home and cook, right? But for our baby here, the problem is that the baby is hungry, but the issue is it can't walk. So here's the problem right here. Now, a simple solution would be, okay, just eat something for a normal person, right? If you have food in your kitchen, my solution would be, well, go in the kitchen, make you something to eat. If you don't have food in your kitchen and you have some money, my solution would be, okay, go to the store and purchase you something to eat, come back home and cook it. Now, if you can't cook, then my solution would be, okay, simply you got money, go out to a restaurant, buy something to eat, problem solved. Or in our case, the solution might be, here is this recipe book. Will teach you how to make the perfect meal. All right, so this right here may be a solution for someone, right? Here is this recipe book that will teach you how to make the perfect meal. That sounds good. That sounds like a solution for a person that has a specific problem where they may already know how to cook a little bit. They're comfortable with the idea of cooking. They have the money. They have possibly the utensils in order to cook. So now they just need the steps itself. But let's go back to our baby. Our baby doesn't have any of that. Doesn't have the tools, doesn't know anything. So this solution right here would not work for our baby. So we're going to set that to the side. So what will be a solution for our baby? Now, since our baby doesn't care about legs and being able to walk and talk, we're not going to say, here are some legs for you to be able to use so that you can eat, so that you can walk again, so that you can be able to walk. Or here's a mouth and a voice box so that you can be able to talk and say whatever it is that you want. That doesn't help our baby because our baby doesn't understand what is the value in solving the issue. Now, here's the key to success. The solution for our baby would be this. All right, family, we're back. So I had to do a quick intermission. Had a lot going on. I might insert the clips of what was going on in the video. But let's get back to it. And that right there could actually give us a quick food for action message. Whereas no matter what's going on in your life, if you have a goal or a mission that you need to accomplish, there will be interruptions. There will be things that come up that will stop your progress, that will make you take a brief break. But don't forget to get back to your main thing. Make sure that your main thing is your main thing and that you're being productive, you get back to work, and you continue on a mission. So with that, back to helping our baby. The solution to our baby's problem would be this. Are you hungry and don't know what to do? Are you stuck at home and cannot get out to get anything to eat? Do you feel helpless and hungry? How would you like for us to create the perfect dine-in situation where we deliver directly to your door and at no additional cost, we serve you in bed? Now, of course, we're dealing with the baby, right? So honestly, a baby is not going to understand this fully. But when we're thinking about our perfect prospect, we have to kind of put them in the mindset or the mind state of being kind of like a baby online, exploring something new, a new land, a place where they don't have any legs really, they don't have any arms to really be able to pick things up properly. They're trying to figure things out really. Some people online have been online for years and still don't know how simple things to you actually work. So it could be something complicated to them, but something that you just know right off the top of your head. And the one thing that I had to learn was that a lot more people are unaware of what they can actually do online than I honestly thought. From middle age to older to even younger people. It's funny to me that I see a lot of young kids that really they think they're into technology, but their idea of being into technology goes as far as being on social media, posting online, doing things like that. But they have no idea of how to use it for business. And I feel like that's something that we really need to start honing in on and focusing on, teaching the young people these type of skills and things like that. But just to wrap up this part of the video and to wrap up the video altogether, this is how you would earn your six-figure income with affiliate marketing. This would be the blueprint structure that you would use in order to find your proper audience. Of course, you want to treat your perfect client, perfect person that you're going to solve a problem for, you're going to provide a solution for, which this right here is a simplified version of a solution. But of course, once when you start getting into your marketing aspect and start building out campaigns on how you're actually going to craft the message for the solution, you're going to see that it becomes very fun and entertaining. You're going to find that there's different things that trigger people. There's different ways that you can spark a person's interest. There's different methods you can use and strategies. It could be written, it could be video. And if you check out my next video, that's probably what we're going to do. We're going to get into moving from text and how to present information to people in text fashion like this, a written solution, something that you can turn into a Facebook post or whatever type of post on social media, on a infographic or whatever you want to do. But we're going to look at how do you turn this solution offer into a video. So into video options and the easiest ways to actually do that. So with that, I'm going to end this video because I don't want it to be too long once again. But this right here is one of the biggest secrets to earning a six-figure income with affiliate marketing. Now, if this has sparked any type of interest at all in you, and learning more about how to build a real business with affiliate marketing, I want to invite you guys to comment below, start already, or click the link in my bio, or send me a direct message, or however you want to reach out to me so that you can actually start to learn more, get more in depth, and actually see what it is that I do to earn an income on a daily basis from home with affiliate marketing, and how you can actually do the same. And it doesn't necessarily have to be something that I like or love. It could be something that you actually like and love. So if you're interested in that, I want to invite you guys to contact me so that we can schedule a free call, a free coaching session to find out these things, find out how I can help you get to the next level and that we can work together. So see you guys in the next video.
The journey begins. John starts his affiliate marketing journey. John meets a guru who promises overnight success. Guru gives John outdated methods. John realizes he needs a better coach. John finds a knowledgeable mentor. Mentor teaches John proven strategies. John starts making real progress. Mentor reveals secrets of successful affiliates. John implements mentor's advice and earns profits. Get your own mentor and start your journey.